block. Switch on me, fully Glock. Make a nigga heart stop. Can't name a time a nigga hit this block and I ain't blow my fire. Catch him coming outside of his bitch crib and it's goodbye. Put this 40 in his face. Ha ha. Bitch surprise. Oh, dude had shot my brother, then died to a wreck. These niggas done. Flip the switch. Type of shit that had you running with your gun. Caught a lacking ass up, ain't even busted, wouldn't be fun. No, I'ma chase you, so you only disappoint me when you run. Hold on, wait. Pull up on S block and let me out. I got this fucking Drake. Like, what the fuck? I think I just seen a nigga claim me PMK. Think I bitch, just been waiting on this little hoe to sit the play. Jump back in, we gon' hop out, leave your face up on the page. Real shooter, now my time to change, see me send a shot. Damn, they flushed the wrong car, like why the fuck you hit this block? Still gave a deal, how the fuck did I forget this bitch off? Thinking she sleep, let this little bitch move around, she getting shot. I heard old dude got hit with Drake, she said to play, you rest his face. I just won't concentrate. I up this glitch, no getting away. Fully gang, I'm trying to catch that little boy speaking on my name. We gon' fully him, we gon' fully him. Drop it low, I'm pulling up, I'm like, what block you on? And Lil' C, that's my twin, cause he be on the shit that I be on. I sip drink, I don't pop pills, hand me my styrofoam. And you can keep your bitch, but I don't want her, I know she a hoe. Might just hit your block, shoot through the window, hit a 4 for 4. We in the low, hanging out the window, tryna scope for bro. Longer than this, bro, them was a minutes, leave you on the floor. Free Liz, they taught me how to work that switch, now all I know is bitch, your cousin did, but you won't smoke with me. What the fuck you on? Me and bro, we don't put bags on niggas' head, we go collect them bill gang. Up this bitch and get the swinging and knock off his throat. I love all my bitches equally, none of them should be expecting more.